Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Pepe. I wanted to make a quick video on that because I did not plan for this. This is actually the 9th video I'm recording in a row, so I'm a little bit numb by all the talking. But I wanted to make a video on that because it was showing momentum earlier this morning. I think there's a lot to learn about the momentum it's showing right now, and it was actually requested by some of you. So hopefully this will add some value for you. Or it will at least shed some light on the current situation for Pepe. It's quite bullish today. We're also seeing some bullish momentum from Bitcoin, which helps. But we'll talk about what's happening. We'll talk about what's possible and hopefully everything you need to know. So that's what we'll do. So let's dive right into it. One of the first ways that Pepe actually came to my attention earlier today is that Wintermute, one of the biggest market makers out there, was actually transacting it, like it's still transacting it a lot, but it also was transacting it a lot like in the last couple of hours, which is an indication that they might be using some market making strategies with Pepe, which sometimes indicates bullish momentum. Now what we're seeing technically is also that it's showing momentum. And then apart from that, this is all bullish confirmation, by the way. Apart from that, we're also seeing that the open interest is growing a little bit. All right, it's growing. It's up from like 50 or $51 million up to $57 million. That will probably increase towards 60, which is an increase of about 20%. That's quite a lot. Now, technically, Pepe also has rallied like this before, obviously. And it broke above, well, it technically hasn't broken above it yet, but it broke above the 50 EMA and almost the 236 fib, which if it would have broken above the 236 fib as well, which is also a minor key level right here, I would have probably entered. Right now, I'm still a little bit hesitant because Pepe is also nearing this major resistance around 7,000. So in general, the situation for Pepe is a bit unstable because it is showing bullish momentum, but it also still has that massive resistance above it. So what I would say, if I would have to make some sort of an analysis, and which we're obviously doing, and some sort of a prediction, I would say that it is showing momentum. So I expect it to get up towards 6,900 and 7,000. But in order for Pepe to rally, the open interest needs to go up to at least like $65 million / $70 million. And Pepe needs to break above 7,000. If it breaks above 7,000, I'm in, all right? And it will rally. For now, maybe I should have already entered when I saw it, when the price was still down here. But for now, I'm not entering until I see that bullish breakout because there's just too much resistance too close by. And the risk reward would not be good enough if you enter right now. Because you have to put your stop loss. Like if we're talking about a trade, which I usually don't do, but if we're talking about a trade from the 236 fib, for example, anticipating that it will break above that level, you would have to put your stop loss like under the previous lows right here at 6,200. And then if you place your take profit at the next resistance level, that's a risk reward of 0.6, which is not worth it. So Pepe does look bullish right now. I expect it to get up towards 7,000 and 6,900. If it breaks above that level, it will rally. But for now, and hear what I'm saying, with the current market circumstances, I do not think it will break above that. If the volume and the open interest keep growing, keep increasing, I do think it will break above that. It is a possibility, but for now, I think it's more likely that it will respect it. That it will respect it and fall down. And that was the extra video on Pepe. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I will share my trades on Pepe if I do enter. I share all my trades in there, daily signals. You also gain access to a community full of traders and my trading guide. So if that's interesting, consider joining. For now, enjoy your weekend. Take care and bye.